what I can do now is use PowerPoint to video to break this down into a video, summarize it, and then deliver fully fledged video for my audience, for my LMS, wherever the video content needs to be served. So quickest way to do this, if you haven't got a Pictory account already, start free and try this out. Head over to PowerPoint to video, grab any Microsoft PowerPoint file type. I've got one here that I prepared earlier. We're dropping that in. We're going to hit speaker notes for narration. We're going to use the speaker notes that are included within the presentation. You don't have to, but we're going to use it as for part of this demo. The upload's complete, and now we're going to hit generate video. And then from here, this video storyboard's being created. So we're going to have audio script, the video, obviously we're going to be using the PowerPoint presentation, captions, and this really takes, depending on how big the file is, this generally takes no more than a minute. But what I'm going to do is head on over to tab where I've loaded this previously. So this is what you're presented with. You see each of the scenes here broken down. Again, lots of text, lots of information, but if there's things that you want to change here within the scene, I perhaps want to change the date again to make this up to date, I can do that. If I want to change out the visuals, so let's say if I want to find something that has videos here, say security clients, and we can see what comes up. I can also add in other videos with just a click of a button here if I wanted to do that, if I wanted to make any changes. If not, I can clear that out. AI Studio, one of the things that our team found out when they were over at DevLearn recently is that the amount of people that are using AI Studio for imagery, so if there's an image or if there's something additional that you want to put into the slide, you can actually just generate this from a prompt, so you can type in whatever you want, or if you want to put a prompt in, you can do that. But for the purposes of the demo today, I'm going to show you how to do this, how to put a new voiceover. So I'm going to hit generate and apply, and then what's going to happen is now the script or the story that you see here, it's going to have an AI voice added over the top onto each of the slides, and then within just a couple of seconds that's going to be done. There you go, the voiceover has been applied. And then from here, if you want to preview the video, if you want to actually show maybe someone else within your team, someone else within your department, you can simply hit preview video here and then copy.
Today we're going to walk through the essentials of cybersecurity compliance for 2025.
So if you want to do a quick preview, you can do that. But now if we're satisfied with what we see here, or perhaps we want to add in some additional text, I can add this in here. You can add any text you want, move it anywhere you like within the slide. You can change the font, you can change the color, the background imagery, you can do whatever you like. But one of the cool things that we've seen people do actually is have a brand kit set up. So if you're going to be, like David, creating lots of these videos at scale, then you can simply use a brand kit, and then that will simply apply logos, brand colors, it would put it all over the slide. So it's one less thing for you to do in order for you to actually get the video that you want. And again, less time for you getting this over to production, less time back and forward. We want to make this as easy as possible for you to get your video created and get it out onto the floor. So I'm just looking at some of the questions here. Yeah, just a quick one. You can use PowerPoint presentation, but if you want to use Google Slides, you just simply download the slide as a PowerPoint format, and then you can upload it here within Pictory. So now that we've created the video, I'm not going to play this particular one. We hit download, and then it's going to prepare the video, apply the voiceover, and then in just a couple of seconds, it's ready to go. But you can still work on it, and you'll get notified once this is ready. So I'm going to close this just for a moment, and I'm going to show you what this video looks like. And again, in just a couple of minutes, we can get a
Today,
like this.
We're going to walk through the essentials of cybersecurity compliance for 2025. The goal is to help you understand abstract. They've surged dramatically. A 37% increase in attacks isn't just a statistic. It means our organization is being actively targeted more often. Why? Because hybrid work expands the attack surface. Personal devices, home Wi-Fi, and quick context switching make us more vulnerable. Compliance isn't paperwork, it's about reducing risk.
As you see here, it's done a summary of these slides. Again, you can change that if you want within the storyboard editor, but we've been able to very quickly put together a presentation that's using the best parts of the presentation, and again, enabling you to get this out to your learners at scale. So Glusher's got a quick question, which is, does Pictory change the slides to be learner-friendly or add animations? So we have text and imagery and video that you can put back onto the presentation within the editor. So I'll just quickly bring this back up. So you can add in other elements here. Other text, audio, visuals, and video. But if you mean like scene transitions, you can apply a transition here, like a wipe up, wipe down, wipe left for each of these if you want to actually do that. So the choice is yours.